welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Dstv Malawian number. So if you are in Malawi and you want to activate your decoder, or you are having some problem on your decoder and you want to call the Dstv customer care to help you out, the number will be on your screen, but for you to check the current number, it can change from time to time. So all you got to do is to pick up your Dstv remote and then look for the Dstv button or the Dstv logo. You press on it, which will take you to the menu, and on the menu page use the arrow left and right keys to look for help. When you find help, come down to the first option and then press OK on it, which is the contact us, and then use the arrow left and right keys, put it on the call option over here and scroll down to find the Malawian number from the list. You come to the M column. Alright, so begins with the +2651 over there. The number will be on your screen now. So all you got to do is to have enough airtime before calling them. They're going to deduct as a normal calling rate, so just be mindful of that. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.